To use a virtual Visa card on PayPal, you need to start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the Wallet section. Once you are in the Wallet section, you will see an option to link a new card. Click on this option and select the type of card you want to link. In this case, a Visa card. Enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any issues with the payment process. If you are using a virtual Visa card, the card details will be provided by the issuer, so ensure you have this information readily available. After entering the card details, you will be asked to confirm the card. This is a security measure to ensure that the card is valid and that you are the authorized user. You will receive a small charge on your card, usually a few cents, and you will need to enter the amount of this charge to confirm the card. Once the card is confirmed, you can use it to make payments on PayPal. To do this, navigate to the payment section and select the virtual Visa card as the payment method. Enter the amount you want to pay and confirm the transaction. The payment will be deducted from your virtual Visa card, and you will receive a confirmation of the payment. It is essential to keep in mind that virtual Visa cards have certain limitations and restrictions. For example, some merchants may not accept virtual cards, and you may be required to provide additional verification to complete a transaction. Additionally, virtual cards may have daily or monthly spending limits, so be sure to check with the issuer to understand these limits. To get the most out of using a virtual Visa card on PayPal, make sure to keep your card details up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. This will help you to avoid any issues with payments and ensure that your account remains secure. In summary, using a virtual Visa card on PayPal is a straightforward process that requires you to link the card to your PayPal account, confirm the card, and then use it to make payments. By following these steps and being aware of the limitations and restrictions of virtual cards, you can safely and securely use your virtual Visa card to make online payments.